Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add any color of vignette to your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select a video, maybe like this one. Then I'm just going to select background instead of going to the vignette section, and I'm just going to select the color that I want. For instance, this purple to go with the purple flowers. I'm just waiting for it to load, and I'm just going to adjust it like this. Again, you can use any color. Then just go to mask and select circle, and you're going to select reverse. Then you're going to kind of shape it into an oval. And I'm going to size it down a little bit, and then I'm just going to simply feather it out to create a vignette look. And that is it. Super simple. You can use any colors that you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.